On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will cover the aspect ratio property and responsive design. We introduce responsive design techniques using the aspect ratio property. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. The aspect ratio property is used to set the width to height ratio, aspect ratio of an element. This is useful when you want to display an element with a fixed ratio, particularly for media content like images or videos, or in responsive design. The basic syntax of aspect ratio is as follows. Ratio specifies the width to height ratio. The ratio is written in the format of width, height, or represented by a single number for the width to height ratio. This is how it looks with a 1:1 aspect ratio. In this case, elements with the square class are set to always have equal width and height, displaying as a square. This is how it looks with a 16:9 aspect ratio, often used for widescreen videos or images. In this case, elements with the widescreen class automatically adjust their height according to the width while maintaining a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is how it looks when specifying the ratio with a single number. Here, the number 2 represents a 2:1 ratio, making the element's width twice its height. The aspect ratio property offers the following advantages. Responsive design. The element can automatically adjust its size while maintaining the aspect ratio across different devices and window sizes. Simple implementation. To maintain a specific ratio, traditional methods like using padding were used, but with aspect ratio, it can be set more simply. For example, video players like YouTube are commonly displayed with a 16:9 aspect ratio. To maintain this ratio, the aspect ratio property can be used to easily create a responsive video container. This allows videos to maintain a 16:9 ratio on any device. Aspect ratio is a property that specifies the width to height ratio of an element. By specifying a ratio, responsive design can be easily implemented. It is very useful for elements that need to maintain a specific aspect ratio, such as images, videos, and card layouts. Compared to traditional complex CSS techniques, aspect ratio is noted for its simplicity and intuitive use. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.